Hello world, RJ here from rjsplatform.com, coming at you today with another review. This review is on a product called Members Kit. And what it is a membership site creator where you can basically set up your websites, set up membership websites in any niche, drive traffic. And if you're looking into making money online, you can definitely do this. If you're looking to, let's say, set up a membership site for music, video games, sports, any kind of membership site that you can think of, you can do it with this product right here. Now I'm just reading over the sales page here. The headline says, "People just like you are turning their passions into thousands of dollars in profits. In the next 60 seconds, we're going to show you how to get paid thousands of dollars effortlessly by doing things you already love to do." And like I said, this is like, if you have a passion, if you're into like exercising, or if you're into blogging, or if you're into soccer, football, recruitment, if you're looking to recruit players and stuff, just kind of get it all set up into a membership site where they can access fresh content and new content all the time. Charge them a small subscription fee for that, or a large one. It's depending on the content and what you plan on doing with this with the membership sites. But the potential is awesome. If you're into like making money online and you want to do some video courses and stuff like that, this can definitely host you. I've got some custom bonuses together that I put together specifically for this product that I think is going to help you get the most out of Members Kit. So let's go ahead. You can come on over to the click on the link below inside of this description of this YouTube video, or it could be directly through my blog depending on how you got access to this video. But you're going to come over to a page that looks like this, which is my bonus page, which is where I host all of my bonuses at. And all the bonuses on this page will actually be 100% free to you if you shall decide to pick up this product through my link. So again, this is my Members Kit review. It has the headline of what you just saw on the sales page there, and I've got some custom bonuses together with you. Now also, I put some demo videos on my bonus page that's going to show you a whole lot more detail of what this product is all about, because there's no better place to learn than from the creators of these products. And Brett Ratecki knows this product inside and out. He uses it on a consistent basis in his business, and I guarantee you that if you follow the video footage and get your hands on this powerful piece of software, it can definitely be a game changer for you. It does have a money back guarantee on it. I've also got the basic usage, the way you can basically use this thing, the basic usages. I've also got how to you can page order, put your pages in order in which you want, so to make it more organized. And you can also drip feed information, so you can go ahead and load in like several weeks worth of content and drip feed it like every day or every couple of days, depending on how often you want to get that content out to your subscriber or to the person that's a member of your membership club here. And that way you can kind of put all the work in up front, and then you can kind of set it and forget it and don't have to worry about it anymore. And it's kind of nice because it doesn't matter when that person signs up, they will be on their own regimen as far as how often they're actually getting that content delivered to them that you're drip feeding in. So pretty powerful stuff there. Also, in this video, it's going to show you how to upload everything into your membership site so you can actually get it. You're going to get a URL where you're able to share that URL, and you can put, like, even if you're using it for like a lead magnet, if you're looking to generate traffic online, you give them an offer to your free course. Inside that free course, they go into your opt-in page. From there, that opt-in page is linked to this membership site that you're going to give them access to, and you can go ahead and put your own personal products in there and upsell them on your personal products. You can just give them pure value if you want. You can give it a combination of both. I mean, really, really cool stuff. So let's go ahead and finish up going on down this page here. It says that you're going to make money, and it says 3 simple steps to recurring profits. Step 1 is to log into the cloud-based software to set up your recurring income sites. Step 2 is to effortlessly add either your own content, the included video trainings, or any combination, because in this particular product, they're going to actually give you content that you can put right up into your site right away, straight away, to get you up and running as quickly as possible. They're also going to give you some fast action taker, some early bird action taker bonuses, and I'm going to go over those as well. We're going to get on down there in just a minute, but just wanted to let you know what this give you a little more information about what this product is all about. And then step 3, what you're going to do is you're going to sit back and collect monthly recurring income. So you're going to get paid monthly just by sharing your interest with others through way of your website that you're going to create. I say website, it is a website, but I want to say membership site, because that's what this is. It's a membership site, and you're going to be able to get paid monthly by sharing that membership site with others that are interested in whatever it is that you have on those membership sites. You're going to effortlessly create stunning recurring income sites in 5 to 10 minutes flat with no previous experience, because these guys are going to show you how to do it. Brett in particular, the creator of this product, he's going to be the one to actually show you how all of these things are set up in the training, which is already part of this product. No hobby, no problem. He's going to go ahead and give you premium video trainings in 4 different popular niches that you can start selling straight away. And not only that, but I've got some bonuses also in this, totally 100% free, just by you picking up this product through my link below. And we're going to go over those as well. But it says tap into a $275 billion and growing market of unlimited buyers. And is that a big, bold statement? It sounds like a big statement, but you know what? There's truth behind that statement, because if you get people onto a recurring income stream or anything like that, like for instance, like Amazon, you pay a monthly for Amazon Prime. You pay a monthly for, Netflix, your cable bill, your light bill, and once a person is paying monthly, then it's going to be recurring income. So there is some truth to what that statement just said. Now, skipped over the prices a little bit because we're going to get to those prices in just a minute, but I want to go over these bonuses first, which is the early action taker bonuses from the vendor. If you pick this up during launch period, and I'm not sure if they're going to pull these down or not, but they're given these early action taker bonuses included in this product for right now, and you're going to get WP embedded. And what it's going to do is it's going to allow you to take that membership site that you create and actually put it onto your own WordPress site, so that way you can drive traffic from your WordPress site as well. They're also going to give you Profit Canvas, and this is Brett's drag and drop page builder. He also creates videos. There's also a video creation software that he creates videos out of with his own business here. And there's also a webinar platform along with all the training. So they're going to give you this as also an early action taker bonus from the vendor, Profit Canvas. The third one that they're going to give you is the MyMellet, which is MyMellet is an autoresponder system, where it's just usually autoresponders. If you're like with Aweber, GetResponse, they're charging anywhere from $20 up to a couple $100 per month, depending on how many subscribers you have on your list. Well, with MyMellet, it's a cloud-based system. It's self-hosted, and there's no monthly fees, and it's a very reliable autoresponder system. And the reason that's been tested and proven is because Brett's been using it in his business. Now, on top of those early action taker bonuses, I'm also giving away some very valuable bonuses that I think are very congruent with what this product is all about. And what these extra bonuses are going to do for you is it's actually going to get you to the point where you're able to make the most out of Members Kit. So bonus number 1, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you access to this course that shows you how to launch products on JVZoo. And the reason this bonus is so important is because Members Kit is actually, you can create your products, whether it be video training, You can even upload software and stuff through Members Kit, host it on Members Kit, have it linked up to your JVZoo account, and you can start launching products to build your list. And we all know the money's in the list, so if you start launching your own products using, Members Kit, uploading them on JVZoo, people start getting on board and start promoting for you, and you're going to start making money. That's why this bonus is so important to you, because not only do you get Members Kit training and all that stuff, but then this bonus actually shows you how to get that product onto a platform like JVZoo and start generating big money. Bonus number 2 that I have for you is basically a software business in a box kit. You're going to get these 3 different softwares that have already been proven to sell over 15,000 copies. The sales pages are included. You get the videos, the graphics, and you get to keep 100% of the profits. So you can go ahead and upload these softwares into Members Kit individually or as a bundle, or you could do a one-off for the one, and then you can have an OTO 1 and OTO 2, and you can sell these different softwares for different amounts, and you're going to be able to keep 100% of the profit. So not only are you picking up the Members Kit, but now you're really ready to make money and maximize your potential. Bonus number 3 that I have for you is the Pen Campaigner, and what this is a software kit that's going to go out and help you generate traffic and get traffic off of Pinterest. And along with that, you're also going to get a full video course on how to get free traffic with Pinterest. So I want you to be able to upload your membership site to MemberKit, drive the traffic over there, and then you can actually start sharing this product on Pinterest. And with Pinterest being an untapped market still, there's still a lot of traffic on there, so it's just a way for you to go ahead and generate free traffic to your membership site. Bonus number 5 that I have for you is going to be how to write a professional sales page, because if you're launching products and you're using this Members Kit the way you should be using it, because you're going to have membership sites on there, this bonus right here is going to show you how to make a professional sales page for that membership site. So those are the bonuses that I put together for you if you decide to pick up Members Kit through my link. And I think that this bonus package, coupled with those early action taker bonuses that the vendor's putting in there, definitely throws this a ton of value into this product here that we're looking at today. Now, the other thing I wanted to go ahead and take a look at with you while I'm here are the prices and the upsells. So the front end of this thing on the Members Kit is $37, and then what it's going to allow you to do is it's going to allow you to build 5 sites with unlimited members in those sites. It's going to be GDPR compliant. Your list building ready, free or paid memberships, so you can give away free memberships or you can charge people for your memberships. There's no domain or hosting needed because they host it all for you on a cloud-based system. Plus, they're also going to give you the done-for-you video content so that you can go ahead and get your membership sites going straight away, like I talked about a little while ago. Now, if you want to get OTO number 1, which I highly recommend, this is the Pro upgrade, and what it's going to allow you to do is it's going to give you the ability to create unlimited membership sites with unlimited members for an unlimited income potential, along with developer rights. So you can not only create these membership sites for yourself, but you can go out on a site like Fiverr or Upwork or any place else that you see fit and actually charge clients to build their membership sites for them, which is a very lucrative business. And then OTO number 2 is their 4-week coaching for $97. You can take it or leave it. I would say highly recommend it, just because of the fact that I know the kind of money that Brett and Mike make on a daily basis, and they are some of the best in the business, some of the best in the business that you're definitely going to learn from, and they're going to give you true value. So I would, if you can afford it, I'd go ahead and pick up OTO number 2 as well. And that's another reason why I like this product, because it's not a mile-long funnel. There's 3 products in the funnel. The $37 one is going to get you going straight off the bat, building sites. But if you really want to take this thing to a whole nother level, I would definitely consider OTO number 1 for sure, and OTO number 2 if you want to gain a lot of information about, especially if you're in the make money online niche and that's what you want to use these membership sites for. I would definitely take Brett and Mike up on that information. So I think that pretty much sums it up for this members kit review. And again, go ahead and click on the link down below, come on through to my bonus page, click on any of the yellow buttons throughout my bonus page, which is going to take you over to the sales page. And once you purchase members kit through that sales page through my link, you're going to get not only all of the early action taker bonuses from the vendor, but you're also going to get my high quality bonuses that are super congruent with this product, that's going to help you get the most out of members kit and the most over your competition out here in this competitive business. I thank you very much for spending your time with me to watch this review, and if you decide to purchase through my link, I also appreciate that, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you and have a good day.